When installing hangers from a ladder, make sure that your ladder is set up safely, that the spreaders are fully extended, and as well, something to think about is set up your ladder right in line with where you're about to work, because you don't want to set up your ladder too far over, causing you to reach off of the ladder. So now that your ladder is set up, you have your safety gear on, your glasses, your earplugs, you can now start to install the hangers. Installing a hanger for a TJI, you always need to put just a dab of glue in the bottom of the hanger to keep the hanger and the joist from squeaking as the building dries. So we'll put just a dab of glue, just like that. You can set the glue gun back on the step. You can now put the hanger in place. These tabs should go over top of the beam. You can tap it up. Make sure that the hanger at the bottom is as tight as possible to the beam. So you can just tap it forward. Because these hangers are slightly offset, there will be about a 3/4 inch gap between the beam and the hanger at the bottom. When nailing your hanger, make sure that it is tight to the side of the joist. Fire a nail. Make it flush and tight. You can see that the hanger isn't bent too far to the side. It's nice and tight to the side of the hanger. Always make sure you wear your safety glasses when using the hanger nailer, especially when you're nailing into the sides, because it's very easy for a nail to not be lined up with the hole properly, ricochet, and hitting you in the face. Now that you have one side nailed, push the other side tight, fire a nail, nail every single hole. If you are missing some, the engineer can make you come back and have to re-nail the hanger off for the holes you missed. Also, when working off of the ladder, now that we have our hanger done, make sure you bring all tools down off the ladder with you, because if you leave a tool on top of the ladder and you go, as you step down and you go to bump or go to move the ladder, or somebody bumps it, the tool can come off the ladder and potentially causing injury, hitting somebody could potentially cause injury hitting somebody in the head. So always make sure you bring your tools down with you off of the ladder before moving it.